Thank you for checking out your Mr. Quik weather forecast. Nathan Kitchens here. Here's a look at our Saturday, and we keep the trend going. We've just kind of been hitting the repeat button each day with this forecast. Expecting sunny skies for Saturday. We'll have temperatures in the 60s to start today. Warming up pretty quickly. We'll have 80s by lunchtime, and temperatures should kind of top out here in the mid to upper 80s. And again, we expect sunny skies. Humidity will be low. So once again, just like we've seen the past several days, the temperatures are pretty warm, but the humidity's low, so it'll still feel fairly comfortable as we go through the weekend here. We have a dry weekend forecast. Looking at the 7-day outlook, we keep Sunday dry. Temperature's just a hair warmer here going into Monday. We're going to top out at 89 degrees, so we're getting close to 90. And then a cold front enters the picture by Tuesday. Brings back our next chance for rain. Scattered showers and storms, I think, Tuesday afternoon into the first part of Wednesday. And that does usher in a bit of a change in the pattern later next week. We're going to start seeing some cooler temperatures, highs back in the lower 80s, possibly in the upper 70s as we go into Friday. You can see the temperatures from normal, how we go from warmer than normal to start next week. By the end of the week, we're talking about cooler than normal temperatures, making a comeback here. So that will certainly be a welcome change. And overall, not looking like a bad forecast as we go forward. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you all have a great weekend. Enjoy the sunshine. It's going to be a really nice weekend across the area.